What kind of blender user are you? A keep it simple smoothie maker or a kitchen gearhead who wants every feature under the sun? Today we're comparing two top-tier blenders, the beloved Vitamix 5200 and the more high-end Breville Super Q. I'm Branson from Best Reviews, and we're gonna break down the differences for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more great video content from us. The Super Q handled everything. Smoothies, nut butters, hummus, all velvety smooth, especially using its built-in puree and chop modes. It took a bit longer than suggested, but results were flawless. The Vitamix matched the power with fewer bells and whistles. No presets, but pure blending force, and a tamper made it easy to get perfect texture. Both scored a 10 out of 10. The Super Q hits 93 decibels on high. Loud, but steady. The Vitamix is even louder, nearly 98 decibels, and has a sharper sound. That gets an 8 for the Breville and a 7 for the Vitamix. The Super Q feels modern, but approachable, with 12 speeds, 5 presets, and a pause function that keeps your blend time on track. The Vitamix is as simple as it gets, just a switch and a dial. Easy to use, but limited in flexibility. So, the Super Q gets a 10 out of 10, while the Vitamix gets an 8 out of 10. The Breville's auto cleaning setting is fantastic. Add soap and water, press clean, rinse, and done. The Vitamix cleans well too, but it's a bit more hands-on without a self-clean mode. That's a 10 out of 10 for the Super Q and a 9 out of 10 for the Vitamix. The Super Q is a commercial-grade beast, powerful, sturdy, and adaptable, from flour to frozen drinks. The Vitamix is ultra durable and built to last decades, but offers fewer accessories or built-in options. We gave the Breville a 10 out of 10, and we gave the Vitamix a 7 out of 10. The Breville Super Q brings innovation and polish, while the Vitamix 5200 keeps things classic and dependable. Either way, you're getting serious blending power. Let us know in the comments which one you would choose. Once again, I'm Branson from Best Reviews. Check below for more details on these products. See you next time.